Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking to remove the clutter, this really cute caddy from AMH may be what you need. It's in this Lazy Susan style, which means it rotates. So how awesome is that? So whether you're using it on the countertop like me to have your oils and your salt and pepper, things like that, this is awesome. You could leave this on your kitchen table during meals for condiments, or you could have it in your cupboard for spices. You can organize your makeup on it. So many options. It's really nicely made. It has a great rotation. Mine is in the walnut color, which is beautiful, and it's got this nice black iron railing on the outside. Because of its really smooth texture, it's easy to keep clean as well, very wipeable. It's not very big, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, but you can definitely put a lot of things on it. I'm so happy with the appearance of it, how it's just cleaned up my countertop but made it really stylish as well. Anything that combines something pretty with something functional is a win for me. I think you will love it too, and that's my point of view.